cable is you have networks where people say no need resume, okay, just come for the interview. But most of us, by in general terms, we actually have to attend. I mean, of course, have to submit a job resume, okay, a resume. And after you submit the resume, then you are shortlisted, then you will be called for an interview. Okay, so that's how it works in the working world. And obviously, of course, the process might change in the years to come, whereby you might not attend a face-to-face, probably an online interview and so on. Okay, anyway, we will be talking about all that. Don't bother, but I want you to do this. So how are you feeling today? You must say, awesome. Kena dab. You have to dab. You will be thinking, you're so silly. Ya Allah, it is silly, my friend. I tell you, it is silly, but it is not silly for you, because I want you to get into the feeling as if you are attending an interview. I can't see your face now, but I can feel your presence. Okay, so that's why you need to feel awesome. You need to feel fantastic. Must be feel fantastic, and you must feel yes. This is the moment I'm waiting for. This is the moment I want to change my life. This is the moment I'm going to make the difference. Oh. And then finally, of course, I am the best. That feeling is important. If you go for interview, you do not have this awesome, fantastic, yes, and I'm the best. Very difficult. I can tell you frankly. Your CGPA can be 4.0. You have all the activities, all the support, but you cannot perform during the interview because your feeling is not good. In fact, this is the mantra you need. Yeah, because I can tell you, my friend, how much great you are. Because in the university, probably you are a leader. You did all kind of, workshop, this and that, everything, all the lecturers know you and so on. But whatever it is, when you're facing the interview, the situation is different. Imagine this. You go to the interview session. It's a big hall. Assuming they want to meet you face to face. Aircon will be blowing. It's very cold. And then 3 floors there, sitting there, look at you one kind. So how? So that's why before you go in, you go to the, what do you call, washroom lah. So you have to tell this to yourself. I'm teaching you this. So please pick it up. Morning, as we are starting, I just want to get rid of certain definitions. Although you probably an expert, but please keep an open mind. Interview, what is that? It's a type of meeting with an objective. It's a meeting. Because a lot of time people panic. They panic when they say, I have to go for interview. Actually, it's nothing. It's a meeting. It's a meeting for what? It's a meeting for the interviewer wants to obtain information about the candidate. You are the candidate. Kamu adalah calon. Kalau kamu calon, dia panggil interview untuk apa? Untuk mendapatkan maklumat. Yes. That is if you are fortunate. Let me tell you. Anyway, guys, if I'm loud, you reduce the volume. Because if I talk slow, I die, man. Okay? So, subjects, economic students, are all struggling very hard. I also struggle. But apart from that struggle, I prepare my resume. I go for interviews earlier. And I'm very fortunate. The first interview also already got a job. Because of preparation. So preparation very fast I will go through, and I want you to prepare you punya apa ni? Ini. What is this? Mobile phone. Your mobile phone if you got lah. But if you are watching through the Zoom, sorry, you cannot do this. But I want you to, because why? The questions I will post or the certain thing you just click so that later on you can do a review. If not, if you can communicate later with Chitra, they can give you the slide details and everything lah. Okay. Other than that, please pay attention. Very fast I'm going to go through. So steps in hiring process. Assuming say that you send in your resume, online or whatever it is, and finally, or maybe social recruiting, whatever it is, then you get shortlisted. I tell you, when you receive an email or a phone call, whatever, to say that you're shortlisted, you thumbs up, man. First step, but doesn't mean you get a job. Then you go to the company, then there will be a HR person, executive, whatever, will ask you to fill up an application form. There you can put a lot of details. That's why resume, no need 1 page, 2 page enough. Okay? And of course, the interview process. Now this is interesting. Those days we will say, okay, how are you feeling? And then we ask you to shake hand. Now we don't. We namaste only. Namaste ji. So learn how to do namaste or do something like this. Okay? Social distancing. And then of course, the interview process will start. So before interview, some of the tips. Number 1, tips because please dress appropriately. So please look into your wardrobe now. What are the things you can wear properly, which actually can impact. And of course, be confident. Employers appreciate them, because at the end of the day, we cannot hire people who come scared. It's difficult. You understand now? So you have to project confident. And of course, we want you to be honest. So very important, because a lot of times people say that, just simply tembak lah. I just tell whatever they want, just get the job. Don't do this. You get the job, but you probably, when they find out your information is not honest, you're dead. Okay? And then, of course, very important, you must relate back whatever you have done in the education or extracurricular experiences to the job you are applying for. Like for instance, economics, demand supply curve. Some of you said, cannot use lah. Milton Keynes theory all cannot use. Who say cannot? You must think lah how to use. Very fast one, one. Tips to create lasting impression after the interview. 3 things lah. Because why? During the interview, many things can happen. So always drop a thank you note or email. A lot of people don't do this. Because why? They don't care. If you care, after you attend a session, you thank the person lah. Because the joker spending time to listen to you. Hey, hello. You think you're the only one come for the interview? There's so many people. So imagine if you send a note of thank you or an email. Your mind will, your name will go into my mind. I say, hey, not bad lah, this flow got gratitude. Okay, number 2, of course, create a list of areas when you need improvement. Because why? You are fortunate like me, never mind lah. 1 interview, 1 job. But if not, then you have to find areas of improvement. Because you fail doesn't matter. Collect all the failures, maybe write a book on it. But you need to find what are the improvements did I need to, did I come late, didn't find, what are the questions he asked, all this kind of thing. Then finally, of course, follow up in the right way. So when can you follow up? Maybe after 1 or 2 days after the interview, and follow up, give a call, check out. It's okay. They have a responsibility to reply. They might not reply, but you have to do your part, okay, to show your interest. So gratitude and Kaizen, continuous improvement, is very, very important after an interview. Okay, Mama Arif, apa dia tanya ni? How does it feel like being rejected by the position of the company that you wanted the most? How do you overcome those feelings? Don't care. Arif, you are smart. You don't care because they don't deserve you. That's how I think lah. You understand now? You see, when people don't want you, what can you do? Like now, Arif, you a girlfriend or not? Tada. Kena reject. Tak apalah. In the university, it's a small pond. Go and work, then find a girlfriend, because the world is an ocean. So similarly, it's not that company reject you, never mind. Don't feel upset. You see, my daughter, she finished biomedicine. December she graduated dekat University of Melbourne. Sekarang bulan berapa? Bulan 4. No kerja. Now some of you laughing. Nak ajar kita konon anak dia sendiri pun tak dapat kerja. Yalah. Because she has to struggle. You think so easy to get a job? And she's in a foreign country some more. But I told her, I say, honey, don't come back until you earn back everything in Australian dollars and return back your daddy's money. Right? It's not the end of the world. So she also feel rejected. I know how you feel. So I said, no. All the letter of rejection, collect. Keep it and write a book on it later on. Because you will become one of the famous person in the future. So that time you can show the people and say, ni lah syarikat-syarikat yang tak pilih saya. Nasib kamu. I mean, if you want to think that way. So don't feel rejection is part and parcel of life. Yes, rejection is part and parcel of life. Okay, for like my friends in the Dakwah Islamic group, you think everybody you go and share the Dakwah, they will listen? They will reject. They will throw stones at you. They will throw najis at you. But does that mean you run away? No, right. So you still go and share what you need to share. So similarly, life is like that. You think your parents all easy for them. They also face so many rejection. But because of you, because they see your face when you're born, they say, because of my daughter and son, I must not give up. We must not give up. Arif, you are very smart. Arif means very smart. A smart person, don't bother about rejection. The more rejection you get, the better you become. You learn to become better. Kaizen, Japanese, continuous improvement. Thank you very much for sharing. Yes, thank you very much for giving me this platform and opportunity for me to share. If whatever I say makes sense, please accept. The one cannot make sense, please put it aside. Please consult your parents to concretize your idea. But most important is, remember, preparation. Preparation meets opportunity, you become successful. Okay? Alright, Peha, Sid, Peha, Citra.
Okay,
Kalau sudah habis. Yes, thank you.
Ada soalan kan? Okay. Anything else to add? Sorry, tak ada. Ada anything else to add? Tak ada.
No, I'm done already. So I just wait for your signal. I already said thank you, ma.
Okay, no questions already? Everyone nak makan kot. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi. If anything, you can just email him or anything. Okay, thank you everyone. Very engaging.
This is the email. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Selamat lunch, Mr. Ravi.
Yes, thank you. Thank you to everybody.